Hello, guys. I'll tell you what. We had an ice storm all night last night, and the temperature was down right around freezing, around 32 degrees during the ice storm. Now the temperatures went up to about 35 degrees outside today, and so my ice has melted away because there was rain that came after the ice too that helped melt it away real quicker. But I'm going to tell you what. It's windy out in 35 degrees and windy out. It's not nice to be outside. I'm going to take you guys outside for a few minutes with me. And I got a special microphone on here. This microphone has got a big fuzzy thing on it. So it probably, we're going to see how well it does in the wind. And I'm going to take you guys over and let you see the wind blowing through the trees and see if you can get a feel for how it feels out here today. You know, just for the fun of it. It's mighty windy. I'm waiting for a gust. Well, guys, I'm on the right side of these trees. The wind's blowing that way, so in case one of the trees cracks and falls down, it won't land on me because the wind will carry it in the opposite direction. Wow, I'm telling you, some wind out here.